Brussels-based umbrella organization that serves the common interest of machine tool builders, related manufacturing technologies, and of course included additive manufacturing. And being a Brussels organization, our actions are mainly at EU level, and we work mainly with the European Commission and European Parliament. When it comes to AM specifically, of course, we advocate for AM to be recognized properly among policymakers, and mostly that the regulatory framework can support and enhance the growth of the sector rather than, let's say, being a barrier. And to do that, we have an additive manufacturing working group, which is very active, where we actively discuss with the industrial stakeholders, which are the, for instance, latest trends, both economical or technological in AM, or obstacles or challenges. And then we gather all this information and we prepare policy recommendations to policymaker, or position papers, reports, or event and other activities that we do. We are involved in a lot of other activities, but I'm sure there will be space later to talk about them. Thank you.
We look forward to hearing about some of these. Marie Langer, CEO of US, please.
Yeah, hello everyone. I'm Marie. I'm CEO of US. We're the technology leader for industrial 3D printing solutions and providing actually systems, materials, and services to our customers in the space of metal, but also polymer. And I'm also shareholder of EOS and second generation of the family business. I took over the role now, I think a little bit then 1.5 years ago. And since then, are working a lot with the team, and of course, scaling our technology, focusing on industrialization, I think, which is really critical, but also making sure that we drive the digital connectivities very well, introduce new business models there, and of course also making sustainability a big part of what we do every day. And we just actually launched our diversity roadmap last week, which is of course also focusing on bringing more women leaders and also females. I'm not of course only looking at females or male, but especially of course now in this group emphasizing that into our company. So I'm also excited to be here today at Women in 3D Printing and discussing the topics. Thank you for the invitation.
Thank you. We look forward to hearing about all of the aspects in which EOS is involved. It's fascinating. Next, Pantea Khanchakragi, please.
Thank you very much, Lee. My name is Pantea Khanchakragi. I'm working at Equinor, which is the biggest energy company in Norway. I'm sitting in Stavanger. Today was a very great sunny day, so I'm very pleased to be here today with you guys. AM in Equinor is about how we can actually using additive manufacturing and new technology in the operation and maintenance. We are using additive manufacturing when it's come to the repairing the parts, and when it's come the repair on the side, and also for the obsolete part. We also have quite a good progress when it's come to the reducing the lead time and the costs when it's come to the additive manufacturing. And also we could use this for the temporary fix in our operation and maintenance. I particularly looking at how we can create value through the sustainability from the additive manufacturing, and how it can contribute to the circular economy way of thinking and the business model.
Thank you. We look forward to hearing about all these exciting applications. And last but of course not least, my co-organizer, Valeria Tirelli, please.
Thank you, Lee. I'm very happy to be here today with this amazing lady. Thank you again. So I'm Valeria Tirelli, CEO of Hydraulics 3D Printing, an Italian company working in hydraulics, as you can understand from the name, and also 3D printing. We introduced additive manufacturing a few years ago, alongside our conventional production of valve, manifolds, and hydraulic component. And since we introduced additive manufacturing, we have a real transformation of the company. So from, I can say, simple, conventional Italian SME, we moved to a more international company, and also our journey into sustainability started at the same time. So very happy to be here and share.
And I know you also have such a all-encompassing program, both on AM and on sustainability. So we look forward to hearing more about that. Thank you, everyone. I think we can see how there are different points of view represented here, which will make, I hope, for a very interesting discussion. So let's set it up first and talk about sustainability just in general. What are the major numbers? Pantea, can you walk us through? I will share one of your slides so that everybody can see. Maybe you can walk us through some of the numbers.
Yeah,
Oops,
of course.
what's going on? This is not the right one. Hang on. I'll fix it.
While you're fixing it, maybe I can start talking. So basically, every year, the world actually adds 51 billion tons of the CO2 to the atmosphere. From this number, 31% of that is related to the manufacture.